Tonight, the governor's office is being sued, accused of breaking the state law that requires the government to disclose records and information.
It's obvious that Governor Bill Richardson got himself into a bit of trouble when he tried to hide information from New Mexico citizens. It's not so much that it was vital information that he was hiding, but it's the fact that he didn't want to reveal information that should be public record. This situation brings to light bigger questions like what are public records and why are they important? Public records are records that are kept by local, state, and federal government agencies. They can be held in physical files or online, and either the government or a government agency manages them. The most common types of public records are criminal records, real estate records, government budget and spending records, sex offender registration files, census records, and court dockets. The Freedom of Information Act grants everyone access to federal public records. Additionally, each state has their own version of the Freedom of Information Act that governs what records are available and the steps that citizens have to go through to access them. In a broad sense, public records are necessary to protect citizens. Specifically, they create transparency between the government and the people. Going back to Governor Richardson's ordeal, people simply want to know what their politicians are doing. Secondly, public records are used as a means to judge someone's character and honesty. We use criminal and civil records to make important decisions about individuals. Additionally, they keep track of government actions such as spending, and we use public records to record real estate purchases, taxes, and business dealings. We've talked a lot about government's use of public records. However, some of the most common uses of public records are to assist with hiring and business decisions. Employers often screen an applicant's criminal and sex offender records before they make a hiring decision. Public records are also used by businesses to check professional licenses, find out who owns a particular company, and they keep track of property records. Now that you have an understanding of public records, let us help you with your public record searches. We are IntegraScan, and we specialize in criminal records and background checks. We can easily access a number of records, including felonies, misdemeanors, and federal charges, sex offender records, and civil records, including bankruptcies, tax liens, lawsuits, and judgments. We also search for professional licenses, business ownership records, and property ownership records as well. Detailed, reliable, and cost-effective, we are IntegraScan, the industry leader in background checks.